yet?
Yes, please. Oh, I have so much work to do before the kids get home from school. I just can't seem to get motivated this morning. I noticed Jim home today. Isn't it a work day?
Yeah, the office is being fumigated again. Jim's home catching up on some yard work so we can have the weekend free.
Have you told him yet?
Lower your voice, Matt. He'll hear you. No, I haven't told him yet.
Don't you think you should?
I don't know where to begin. I don't know what to say.
You need to tell Jim the truth.
I know. It's just that...
Good morning, Natalie. Anything new?
No, Jim, nothing. Bridget was just telling me about your office. She said it's being fumigated. Can't get rid of those fleas.
No, I hired a better exterminator this time, I think. I hope. Well, I'll leave your latest to your coffee. Back to the yard for me.
That was close. What am I gonna do? What if he finds out?
He's going to find out eventually, and you need to be the one to tell him.
Oh, I don't even know. This has been going on for months, maybe? The beginning of spring?
That long? Bridget, that's terrible. I didn't know it had been going on for this long.
I know, it's awful.
I just don't understand how you keep doing this. Jim loves you so much. He would do anything for you.
It just happened. I didn't mean for it to. It was an accident.
An accident?
Hi, honey. Back for some more water? Can I fix you some tea, coffee?
Too hot for coffee, hon, but I'll take some of that tea.
So, those fleas must be making you miserable.
Me? No, not me. It's the guys at the office. The bugs are driving them crazy. I've never even been bitten once. The little buggers just don't like me, I guess. Well, back to it. I'm fighting a losing battle against that Clover.
He suspects something.
He has every right to. You're guilty.
Shh, he'll hear you.
Well, explain to me how you could think this was an accident.
Okay, do you remember that weekend when it just poured down the rain? The whole weekend, the next street over flooded?
Yeah?
Well, that's when it started. Jim was out of town and the kids were both at a friend's house.
I should have known.
I only planned to do it once. I didn't think Jim would ever find out. And if he never found out, what harm could it possibly do?
Bridget, that's terrible.
I know. Anyway, it was only supposed to be the one time.
What happened when Jim and the kids got home?
I felt really guilty. And I thought for sure everybody would be on to me.
Then why didn't you stop when you had the chance?
I don't know.
Didn't Jim suspect? Ever even act suspicious?
Once, it was right after the time the office had been fumigated for the first time. I remember because I wasn't expecting Jim home early, but the pest guy had to bomb the place. If he'd only been home 5 minutes sooner.
So why did you let it keep going?
Because I liked it.
And it never occurred to you that it could hurt someone?
I didn't really think about it at the time, and now it feels like it's too late to do anything.
Tell Jim the truth. I bet he'll understand. He loves you.
I don't even know where to begin. Jim would be so mad.
It sounds to me like it was a situation of convenience. You never would have done it if Jim and the kids had been gone all weekend. That's what I think.
Do you really think that would matter to Jim?
Yes.
I've tried everything to stop it.
Maybe it's time to call a professional.
I don't know who I could call.
I bet Jim knows.
Maybe.
If you come clean, you can fix this together.
But Natalie, I'm scared.
I know, but you have to do something. You know this can't go on.
You're right. I guess I really do have to touch him.
And he will help you sort this whole thing out. You'll see, things will be okay.
Jim, I have something to tell you.
Really now?
The fleas are my fault.
You bet it is! What?
The flea infestation at work. It's all my fault.
Wait, what? You're confessing to a bug problem?
Yeah, I haven't been walking the dog. I've been letting him go in the woods.
What?
Yeah, I have. to clean it up if it's in the woods.
What?
I don't have to go outside in the rain.
What?
Stop saying what. Are you even hearing what I'm saying to you?
I thought that, I
You
thought,
thought the fleas were random, but they're not.
but
Look, and they're in the house too, so they don't bite you, so you just haven't
the
noticed.
dog, but the dog.
And now I really need you to call your pest guy to get the house fumigated.
Oh, Bridget, this is wonderful.
Have you lost your mind? How is this wonderful?
Look, I thought there were far worse problems, right?
So, you're not mad?
Mad? No, I'm not mad at all.
Oh, I'm so relieved. Natalie said you would understand.
Now, aren't you glad you came clean?
You have no idea. I didn't have a clue how I was going to get the exterminators in the house unnoticed.
It's okay. I'll call them right away. What a relief, right?
I wonder who that is. I'll check it out. I'll be right back.
Think she suspects?
Not at all.
Great. Tonight at our usual time.
Sounds wonderful.
Okay. Thank you, everyone, for attending our performance. And it was written by the master of the twist, Jonni Hower. And our wonderful performers, the charming Victoria Roop. Always entertaining Anthony Martinez. And the captivating Brianna. Thank our executive director for giving this space to put on this wonderful performance, and I'm glad for all of you attending.
And who are you?
Deborah Gerhardt, the director.